Hey there, fellow traders. Are you tired of false signals messing with your scalping strategy? We know how frustrating it can be when your indicators give you unreliable signals leading to losses instead of wins. But fear not, we're here to help you overcome this hurdle. In this video, we'll delve deep into a handpicked section of the most reliable indicators for scalping. You'll learn how to add them to your charts and customize them to suit your trading style. But we're not stopping there. We'll reveal the art of combining these top-notch indicators to create a winning scalping strategy. Plus, we'll share essential entry and exit rules to guide your trades along with savvy risk management techniques. By the end of this video, you'll learn the knowledge and confidence to minimize false signals and boost your trading success. So grab a seat and let's transform your scalping game together. We'll be using the popular TradingView platform for this tutorial. Don't worry, the strategy we're about to cover works for all sort of trading, from crypto to forex and stocks, and can be applied to any time frame from 1 minute to daily charts. The strategy is flexible and can be tailored to your preferences. To demonstrate the strategy, we've picked the gold 5-minute chart. However, feel free to choose any chart you're comfortable with, since the strategy is adaptable and works across different assets and time frames. We'll kick off with a fantastic free indicator called Price and Volume Breakout Buy Strategy. To add it to your chart, head over to the indicator section and type the name into the search bar and select the indicator from results. It's as simple as that. We'll start by tweaking a few settings with the price and volume breakout buy strategy indicator to make it work best for our scalping approach. Just follow along and we'll have it set up in no time. This powerful indicator is designed to spot prime buying and selling opportunities by analyzing price and volume breakouts across a range of candlesticks. The strategy employs a moving average to help pinpoint these breakouts, and it will even generate automatic buy and sell signals for you. While the price and volume breakout indicator is undoubtedly powerful, it's crucial not to rely solely on one indicator. Don't fret, I'm here to help you turn this strategy into a money-making machine. But before we dive into that, I'd like to share a fantastic trading platform called SimpleFX. It's got loads of great features and there's an exclusive offer just for you. If you sign up through the link in the video description, you'll get a 5,000 deposit bonus and a 5% cashback on all your trades. Definitely worth checking out. Now let's get back to the good stuff. It's time to introduce the second star of our strategy, the color moving average indicator. Let's jump back into the indicator section and look for the colors moving average indicator. When you spot it, give it a click to add it to your chart. To get the most out of this awesome tool, we'll need to tweak the settings a bit. No worries though, I'll walk you through the changes step by step so you can make the most of your scalping strategy. Just follow along as we optimize the color moving average indicator settings together. Now that we've mastered both indicators, let's combine their powers for an unstoppable strategy. Here are the rules for entering and exiting trades, along with some vital risk management tips. When you spot a buy breakout signal on your chart, it's time to gear up for an action. Next, ensure the signal candle's cross price is above the green 200 moving average line. It confirms an uptrend, signaling a perfect opportunity for a buy trade. So once both conditions are met, you're good to enter the buy trade. Remember to manage your risk by placing a stop loss below the recent swing low or the green 200 MA line, depending on the market conditions. And to lock in those profits, set your take profit at 1.5 times the distance between your entry price and a stop loss level. For sell trades, follow these steps. Look for a sell breakout signal on the chart. Check if the signal candle's close price is below the red 200 moving average line, confirming a downtrend, a prime sell trade opportunity. Once both conditions are met, enter the sell trade. Place your stop loss above either the recent swing high or the red 200 MA line, depending on the market situation. Set your take profit target at 1.5 times between your entry price and a stop loss level. So now you've made some serious progress. Keep the momentum going by watching our recommended video for more game-changing tips. Embrace new ideas and stay committed to mastering the art of trading. With dedication and practice, you'll be well equipped to tackle any market. Happy trading!